does your car suck? Cause last time I checked, Grandma's old station wagon ain't getting you any dates on the weekends. Sounds like you need the Lodge Hiccup. This 3-door town truck comes equipped with glass doors, a jacuzzi on the roof, a rugged 18 durable power engine, 3-speed hyperdrive, cappuccino dispenser, paper shredder, 15GB hard drive, 8-track player, comfort seats with built-in massagers, 17-inch fishbowl stand, retractable disco ball, and a midget named Steve. Interior comes in black, mauve, and plaid with sparkles. Residency restrictions apply. Warranty not available in U.S., Japan, or Lesotho. Vehicles condemned cause epileptic seizures. Women should not operate vehicles. Last week, a moose attacked my sister. 17-inch fishbowl.